In this video, I'll show you how to put your PayPal money on Cash App without a bank account by adding money from PayPal to Cash App. This works by using PayPal's transfer options along with a debit card instead of linking a bank. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, open the PayPal app on your phone and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the screen and tap on your PayPal balance. After that, tap the transfer button. You'll now see different transfer options, such as transferring to a bank, PayPal savings, or other available methods. Since you're moving money out of PayPal, choose the option to transfer your balance. If you're given the choice between instant transfer with a fee or a standard transfer that takes 1 to 3 business days, select the option that works best for you. Complete the transfer so the money is available for the next step. After your PayPal money is ready to use, open the Cash App on your phone. From the Cash App home screen, tap on the Add Cash button at the top. You'll see preset amounts you can add, or you can tap the 3 dots to enter a custom amount. Type in the amount you want to add to your Cash App balance and tap Add. When prompted, make sure you're using a debit card connected to your PayPal funds, such as a PayPal debit card, so no bank account is required. Once confirmed, the money will be added to your Cash App balance, allowing you to use it for payments, transfers, or other Cash App features. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.